Fastest way to add Hamster Kombat tokens to Bitget wallet. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now first things first, you want to open up your Bitget wallet application. Once inside Bitget wallet, all you have to do is to click on the wallet section at the bottom of your screen right here. Right after that, you want to click on the Coin network, and once inside, you want to make sure that you are inside the TON network. Now after selecting TON, you then have to scroll down, and from here you want to click on the Manage Tokens. Inside Manage Tokens, you want to make sure that you are inside the trending tokens right here. If you scroll down, you can then go ahead and see the hamster token. You can just go ahead and click on the plus icon at the end of the hamster token right here. And now it will add the hamster token into our Bitget wallet. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.